When you call a criminal defense attorney like myself, you're probably going to ask me at some point, John, what are the chances of this case being dismissed? What are the chances of the state dropping it? Well, one of the things that's going to lead to your case being dropped, and it is a beautiful thing, is what we call pretrial intervention, pretrial diversion, county diversion program. We have government acronyms for these: PTI, PTD, CDP. I don't care how they abbreviate it. I don't care what creative titles they have for it. It is a program that will lead to your charges being dismissed. And it is a beautiful thing. You are going to have to work to actually get your dismissal, because in order to get through the program, you're going to have to take a class. You shoplifters out there, a theft class. If you got a battery charge, folks, an anger management class. If you battered somebody domestically, there is a domestic violence class, and it is long. It's like 6 months. If it is a theft class, if it is driving while license suspended, there's actually driving while license suspended classes. Folks, they got a class for everything these days. But the point is, you take the class, you do a little community service. You want to hang out with the kittens and the puppies at the shelter, that's fine. You'll get credit for that. It's community service. You did some good for the community, and you're going to get your case dropped after you do all these things. That's the idea of these programs. Do some stuff, case gets dropped. There are some issues here. First of all, we attorneys have a heck of a time getting you into some of these programs sometimes. That's number one. There's just little tiny things that we know about that will kill the deal, and we won't be able to get you in the program. For example, Orange County has complete dismissal of your DUI through their DUI PTI program. But the problem is, let's say you were driving down the wrong side of the road. That's it. You didn't get into an accident. Nobody had to swerve, but you're driving down the wrong way. You're not getting into PTI, folks. They're going to deny you. There's little quirks, all right? My big complaint about diversion or intervention and things of that sort is that they require you to admit that you are guilty of this crime. And guess what? Some of you are not guilty of this crime, right? And yet you have to lie. You literally have to tell a bald-faced lie, I'm guilty of this crime, even though you're not, to get dismissal. That kind of, I know, rubs me the wrong way. But all in all, let's get back to positivity. Let's sit around and sing Kumbaya again, because PTI, PTD, CDP, these are good programs. It is good to have your case dropped. It is good to have your case dismissed. Not all of you out there can afford to roll the dice and go to trial in front of 6 random people in front of a judge that might have a trial penalty and might throw you in jail on your first offense just because you lost at trial. It's not fair, but the criminal justice system, we know, folks, is not always fair. But diversion, intervention, these are good ways to get your case completely dropped and completely dismissed if your defense attorney can manage to get you in it. So I hope that you learned something from this video. I hope that if you've got any situation in Central Florida, that you will give my office a call. I have been defending criminal cases here for over 31 years, thousands of clients over those decades. They're happy. I want you to be happy too. Or if you're here just to learn, I like that too. There's something on the screen that you can click, say subscribe, say like. These things help us out, and I appreciate you helping us out. Thanks.